I'm not counting my money to impress you, but to impress upon you that you could also be counting your own money. Now, I'm not going to tell you how I did this. Why? Because your mind will overthink things too much and too long. Better yet, I'm going to do 3 things for you. First, I'm going to show you how I did this. Second, I'm going to propel you into action so that you can do this. And third, I'm going to do most of the heavy lifting for you so that you can get started making money now. That's right, I'm going to help you do this. But I want you to think about what I just said for a moment. Why would a complete stranger share his livelihood with you and help you make money? Why? Well, if you click the link below, I'm going to lay out the biggest revelation. It will make you kick and scream when you hear this because it's truly the biggest no-brainer. I'll give you a quick hint. You have something I need that won't cost you any money, any time, or any trouble given to me. It's so incredibly easy for you, but yet difficult for me. So click the link in the description box below so I can walk you through.